AWS IoT services can feel like a maze. Many developers find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. But fear not, as we'll guide you through simplifying this process to build a reliable IoT architecture. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and Well Architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI4U. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Selecting the right IoT hardware is crucial. Devices like Raspberry Pi and Arduino offer excellent compatibility with AWS IoT Core. Consider factors like connectivity, processing power, and power consumption to make informed choices. Connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and cellular are vital. Ensure your devices have adequate RAM and storage for AWS SDK operations. Power consumption is key for remote deployments, so choose wisely. To connect devices to AWS IoT Core, install necessary SDKs for Python, C++, and JavaScript. These SDKs provide the tools needed for seamless integration and communication with AWS services. Generate and configure device certificates for secure communication. Each device requires a unique certificate key pair, ensuring secure data transmission and authentication with AWS IoT Core. Create IoT things and device shadows to digitally represent your devices. Device shadows store current and desired states, allowing seamless synchronization even when devices go offline. Set up MQTT topics for efficient message routing. Design your topic structure to reflect your device hierarchy and data types, ensuring scalable and maintainable IoT architecture. Implement SSL/TLS protocols to protect data in transit. AWS IoT Core enforces TLS 1.2 encryption, creating a secure tunnel between your devices and the cloud. Choose appropriate MQTT QoS levels for message delivery. QoS 0 is suitable for non-critical data, while QoS 1 ensures at least once delivery for important updates. Use AWS IoT Rules Engine for message routing and transformation. This engine evaluates messages against SQL-like queries, routing them to appropriate AWS services efficiently. Filter and validate incoming messages for quality control. Implement rules to discard noise and ensure only meaningful data is processed, optimizing resource use. Configure Amazon S3 for long-term storage and DynamoDB for real-time management. These services provide scalable solutions for handling vast amounts of IoT data. Create real-time analytics dashboards with Amazon QuickSight. Visualize your data to gain insights and make informed decisions based on real-time analytics. Implement device fleet management to efficiently handle large numbers of devices. Monitor data transfer costs and usage patterns to optimize your IoT solution. Set up automated scaling policies to handle varying workloads. This ensures your IoT architecture remains responsive and cost-effective as demands change. Recap. We've covered everything from hardware selection to data analytics. By implementing these strategies, you'll build a robust and scalable IoT solution. Takeaway. By optimizing your IoT setup, you'll gain valuable insights and control costs. This empowers you to turn device data into actionable business intelligence. Call to action. Start small with a few devices and basic analytics. Gradually expand your features as your project grows. Monitor spending and optimize regularly for significant savings. Join us in exploring more AWS IoT solutions. Dive deeper into advanced topics and continue building your expertise in IoT architecture. Thank you for watching. Implement these strategies to transform your IoT projects. Let's innovate together and unlock the full potential of AWS IoT.